So one of the main reasons that students reach out to me and want to join Accordion Love is they want to be more musical. They might know how to read notes, they might know how to play songs, but they want to be more musical. And what that usually means is adding some dynamics to their playing. It's adding some rhythm, adding some heart to their playing. And one way I know of how to do this is by removing wrong notes. We did this back in the March 2022 monthly challenge where I offered you a chance to just play along to a track in A minor. For this month's challenge, August 2023, I'm going to do the exact same challenge with a different backing track. So I'm going to play a track, and your job is to be musical on that track, to play along to the track and to offer something musical. What does that mean? I'll show you an example, but it means using just a few notes. Beginner players, I want you to use fewer notes than advanced players. I want you to play less. I want you to play with just a few notes because we're going to be playing an A minor. The notes that I want beginner players to use is A, B, C, and E. That's the A minor chord with a B. 1, 2, 3, 5. And I want you to become musical with those notes. More advanced players, you could play the entire scale. A, B, C, D, E, G, back to A. Very similar to the A minor pentatonic scale, which is a bluesy kind of scale. So let's do this. I'll record a backing track loop on the keyboard just to get a bit more groove, and then I'll show you what I'd like you to do on the challenge. But again, there are no wrong answers. It's up to you to do it. We've been doing the challenges for almost 3 years now, every month. I encourage you to go over to the forums and to check it out. So I'm gonna do this bass rhythm. 1, 2, 3, 4. There it is. So again, there are no wrong notes. I'm gonna go up. And what's happening is I'm trying to come up with rhythm. We've done this frequently on the monthly challenges. How do we become musical? Clapping along to a pattern, right? Da 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 da. And then replicating that. Da 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 da. Any of the white notes will sound good, but I'm asking you to limit yourself to just 3 or 4 notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, feel that rhythm, feel that melody that you're adding. Play a bit more sparse. More advanced players, feel free to use multi-fingered melodies. There are lessons on Accordion Love. Use multiple voices. I'm starting to involve more advanced techniques like sliding up to the note using semitones. And again, leaving space, using silence. That's this month's challenge. I'll have the backing track that I just recorded over on the forum. I encourage everyone to try this at home. Accordion Love members, if you do this 6 times over the course of a year, I'll send you exclusive Accordion Love merchandise. It's wonderful. Those of you that are not Accordion Love members yet, I still encourage you to do this challenge. Head on over to the forum. You could look at all the other people from around the world doing this challenge. I'll also link you to the March 2022 challenge, where you could see people doing this challenge as well. It was also over A minor. It was just a different groove. Let me know if you have any questions. Again, this is all about becoming musical. Anyone can play 3 or 4 notes, but what will make you unique with your 3 or 4 notes? Enjoy this challenge. Thank you.